Alright guys, I made a video about CETX, and this is why it's the power of patiently waiting for this system to present. So as you can see, we clearly are hitting this EMA 5. You can see the wick hitting it, and it gets so tempting because people use my system and like just anyone that's like, oh, this is extremely oversold, because you can look at the RSI, and this is actually levels you don't see often. We're at a level of 11.71, but this can go to 9, guys. It can drop to 11.20 and drop 20%, and then go to 10 and drop another 20. You can't use that indicator alone. Get rid of the RSI. Use these indicators. I'll set it up if you're in my Discord. I have videos. I do live streams. But as you can see, you can't base it on that alone. The one for sure thing that you know in the market is price will go back to the reversion to the mean. Well, what is the very easy reversion to mean to get to that will make you massive money? And that's your EMA 5. This purple band here will tell you guys how much profit range do you have. Click the data price range up in here. A lot of people don't use the tool, but it does the calculations for you. Right up in here to this ATR4, which is customized to be extremely oversold, is a 61% gain from here. To the EMA 5 is 143%. Can we all agree that that is massive room? We're not looking for a 5, 10, 20%, because we know this is going to fluctuate down. If we know there's massive room to go up, we can accumulate properly. You have to accumulate properly. Do not be like a freaking machine gun and buying every dip for no reason. You will get blown out of the water, because what's going to happen is you're going to have too big of a size. You're going to run out of money. You're not going to have any money to get on the dips and really get your average, because you want your average to accumulate down with this. It makes sense. You know price hits EMA 5, so you get your average to accumulate down with. But you don't. We want to get like really precise bottom. And so I'm okay if CETX goes up and I miss out on it. What I'm looking for is 5 daily candles away from the EMA 5. At least give me 5 daily candles. Anything that don't touch the MA5 and 7 daily candles is long. I know it seems like you're missing out on the boat. You're like, man, RSI is 11. This thing's way under the bands here. It could give me a little bounce. If you bought on this candle here, you're down 23% pre-market. You see why you want to you see why you want to be a little patient, and then you're down 23%. You're gonna be like, oh, I gotta buy now. You're supposed to buy at the end of the day, right? So here's what's gonna happen. Right in here, we have 3 daily candles away from this EMA 5, not touching. We can clearly see that. We have this hugging this lower band. Anything that hugs this in 5 to 6 daily candles is extremely bullish. One thing I'm looking for is a low K value. It's at 4.17 right now. As you can see, on this candle here was too high. This candle's here is too high. This candle's here is too high. I gotta see under 3, guys. With this big pre-market drop, we might see under 3. So yeah, let's just look into that. And I think someone in my Discord posted the CETX news, so thanks Sly. They awarded a 4.7 million large scale infrastructure contract. That's very nice. They posted that literally 22 minutes ago. So they got good things coming in. And you got to understand is, why are they posting good news? The algos do this all the time. We know we got to go to the reversions of means. We know when we're extremely oversold. So the companies start releasing good news, and they start releasing bad news when we go up to the EMA 20. As you can see, when price reverts to this mean, it comes tumbling down. Price hits the 20, down. Price gets near 20, down. Hits this EMA 10, which is a short reversion of the mean, middle reversion, it goes down. All these are price targets. You got to know that they will hit it. It doesn't matter how it does it. It doesn't matter, people are like, it's a trash company and all of that. You're missing out on tons of games, right? As long as you're just very strict, you'll be totally fine. CETX, I will buy 2 days from now. Can you at least, guys, give me 5 daily candles under this? If you want to get skin in the game, that's totally fine. You can buy, if you're like, man, I don't want to miss out on, then go shorter, go smaller size. If you have a $5,000 account, you shouldn't be putting $1,000 if you just want skin. I mean, it's okay to just have like $500 in. Well, how I like to do it and how I usually do it, I allocate 5 to 10K, right? If you have $10,000, or let's just do 5. We do that example. I do $1,500 on this 5th daily candle if it's down here. And then I do another 1,500, and then another, and then my last one is even bigger. So I do 15, 15, and then the last one be like a 2,000. There's no like real science to it. It's just making sure that you accumulate properly. You don't just shotgunning it through. Like I see a lot of people be like, goes down, and somehow they use all their account on this one ad here. and they're like, oh, it's down 27% pre-market. What do I do now? And that's the situation you don't want to be into. So yeah, give this one some time. Remember, if it seems too good to be true, the market makers do not want us to make money. Let the retail traders that want to get in early, let them, that bought on this first candle down, they're getting wrecked right now. And then they're thinking, well, the market's rigged and all that. Yes, the market's rigged. We got to play with their rules. This is what the algos do. We got to do what the algos do. We want to follow what algos do, as that's the reversion of the mean. I love this trade. It has massive room up to the EMA5, massive room up to the lower HR4 band, which you will get the settings for. I want to wait for a low K under 3, and we'll go from there. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to join the Discord, you guys are more than welcome to join. I'll put the link down below in the YouTube comments below. We'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. Please read how to subscribe. If you have an Android, you'll have to do it on your phone's browser, or just do it on your computer, as that's the easiest. Avoid scammers. There'll be tons of things that say avoid scammers, but just to be sure, I will never trade your accounts. Some people think that I'll trade their accounts. No. Everything you will trade your own accounts. I know this sounds crazy, but some people think that. I will give you guys alerts, entries, and all that. Testimonies. Read the testimonies. How a lot of people have made massive money, even with only $330. This guy went into the day trading community using my same strategy and made double that his account size. If you go to Service Shop on the top left, you'll see the 2 services I offer. Definitely try the Day and Swing Trading Plus. It's $12 a month. You will make lots of money. You will have an over 90% win ratio. And the strategy that I just released is a new strategy. I have won 18 trades in a row, making 20 to 30% gains. It's just been absolutely awesome. You're going to transform. Even if you only have $1,000, you would have had over 5K this month, if not more. That's the statistics of day trading. You're gonna love it. And like I said, if you hit this subscribe button here, or just hit day trade alerts on the channel, it'll give you the highest access, and you can see how I alert things and all that. I'll tell you guys. And to get all this lingo, I explain it. I do live streams. You'll see it more and more. But it's a very nice thing. But you'll have to watch the day trading education. Watch all these videos when you subscribe, and you'll have access to swing trade, so no worries. The swing trading education video, this is your most important one to get your indicator set up. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is CETX. This is what my analysis is. I'm going to wait it out, give it 2 more daily candles, see what the K value is, and just kind of see what's going on. I like to buy into the day. As always, it's been working wonderful, as that's where the sellers get exhausted, and you get a nice pump after that. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Give this video a like, subscribe, comment, and let's make some money in the Discord. Peace out.